Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, this video on today has been in the making for a long time. Now, you're going to see some of my brush collection. And in this collection, I'm going to say it's probably about maybe 50 or 60 brushes shy of what I actually have now. But nonetheless, I just want to share that with you. And I'm going to share, a couple of ways in which I clean my brushes. However, as the title said, I'm going to show you how you can get 200, yes, I did say 200 brush washes out of one product that cost you $2 or less. Now, I don't mean just washing 200 brushes. No, the collection that I have, quite extensive, but I could probably wash that entire set 20 times. 20 times, I mean squeaky clean with just that one product. And I would be remiss if I didn't share it with you. So that is what we're going to do on today. I'm going to show you how I clean my brushes. Yes, I still do it the old school way. I do actually have a brush cleaner, and I think it's been a minute since I've done a giveaway. I think that's what I'm going to do for the next 10 days. I'm going to show you a picture right up here, and this is going to be of the product that will be included in our giveaway. And I'll give you all the details about that, and I'll be talking about it from now until the end of the month with all the videos that I do. Today is the 12th of September. This video will probably go up on the 13th. And so from the 13th until the very last day of this month, which will be the day that we do the giveaway, we will pull the names. We'll figure out exactly how. By the time we end this video, I'll let you know exactly what you need to do in order to be able to participate in that giveaway and have a chance to win not just the brush cleaning system that is here, but also the product that I show you today, in which I use to clean my brushes. Okay, so if you'd like to see exactly what that brush cleaner is, as well as how I use it, please keep watching. Okay, so for those of you who are who've been hanging with me for a minute, those of you that are true seasoned beauties, you know how I feel about brushes. I absolutely like brushes. I like the versatility of having different brushes to use. I love having different types of brushes to do different types of things. Okay, now I do have a favorite. I definitely have a favorite, okay, but that's not what we're talking about right now. So what I want to show you is, before I found the product that I have now, I used this one right here. Okay, it is the Argan Oil Sponge Soap. It is $1.55 on Shop Miss A. I like this brush cleaner. I like it, especially for my sponges. However, This is very good. Don't get me wrong. This is very, very good. Very good. But that's not the one that I really want to emphasize. The other one that is absolutely and utterly amazing, most of us have it in our homes anyway, and that is Dawn dish detergent. Oh my God. Why? Because it has, Dawn kills the grease. That's really what it comes down to. It kills the grease. And we have so many different types of brushes that we use, and that Dawn dish detergent is amazing for it. So that one is a go-to for me as well. I'll show you the one that I use up here, but the one I want to tell you about on today is this one right here. Now, this is called Zoot Soap. Now, they have two. It's the pink one and they have a blue one. Now, I don't use the blue one because the blue has coconut in it. My daughter is allergic to coconut, and so there are times when we clean her brushes as well. So I don't want to take any chances. So this right here is amazing. It has very few ingredients in it, but it is an amazing product. Okay, now what do I do? First of all, I get my husband. For those of you who don't know, my husband is a chef. He is a trained chef. He has a degree in the culinary arts. Now, why am I telling you that? Because he has the tools to do this, which is to take that bar of soap and cut it into blocks like this, okay? Then, in addition to that, he also takes it and he shreds it for me. Why? Because I take it and I liquefy it so that I can use it when I use my brush cleaner, the battery operated or the electric brush cleaner that I have. So this way I can just put a couple squirts into it and use it this way. Either way, it is amazing. This bar of soap I purchased at Walmart, and I purchased it for a big whopping $1.99. I have been using this same bar, the same bar, since February of this year, and I still have this much left. And in addition to my brushes, I also I have a granddaughter who loves to wash her mom's brushes. She has such an her brush collection almost as large as mine, almost, but she's a professional makeup artist. She went to school for that. So this is just absolutely and utterly amazing. It works quickly, gets the job done. I promise you, it gets the job done. So what am I going to do? Right now, I am going to show you my collection of brushes, okay? I'm going to show you my collection of brushes. Well, as I said in the beginning, not all of them, but I've gotten maybe 50 or 60 more since then. But I'm going to show you the video of quite a few that I do have. And then I'm going to show you exactly how I do clean my brushes. Like I said, this one, I believe it's just me washing them by hand, not using my brush cleaner. So after you see that, then I want you to stay around for a little bit longer, because we're going to talk about this giveaway and what you need to do in order to enter, okay? I might even have 2 winners. We'll see. We'll see. I'll let you know. know by the end of the video. What'd you think? Let me know down below. And also, down below, let me know what you use to clean your brushes with. I'm not going to ask you how much you spend. You can put that down there if you want to, but I really want to know what it is that you use and what is your holy grail. Okay, now, let's talk about this giveaway. I'm going to show you right here the item that is going to be our giveaway. And the giveaway winner will be announced at the end of September. How do you participate in this giveaway? This giveaway is for U.S. residents only. My international folks, I'm going to work on it for you. I am. I'm going to work on it. I definitely appreciate you being a part of my channel, and I will work on it some kind of way. Now, I have a favorite line of brushes. They are not the brushes that I have the most of, but they are my absolute favorite. Now, you can go back through and watch some videos. I'm not going to give you any more hints than that. Just to tell you, my favorite brushes are definitely talked about quite a lot on this channel, okay? So, this is the item that we will be giving away, all right? The way in which you can have a chance to win this item is you have to be subscribed to my channel. If you subscribe just to get into this giveaway and do not win, and you decide that you will no longer be a part of my channel, we will block you from here on out. You will never be able to participate in another giveaway. Okay? Now, that's it on that part. Then, in addition to that, you have to like this video and leave a comment down below and let me know what my favorite set of brushes are. Okay? So, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I really do appreciate it. I have missed y'all so much. I really have, and I appreciate all of you who have reached out to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so very much. It's good to know that I do have subbies that are concerned. I thank you very much for reaching out to see where I was and why I wasn't showing up, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.